those dueling proverbs collide. You better
look before you leap,
but he who hesitates is lost.
Those dueling proverbs contradict each other. So put on your best suit, don't you know?
clothes make the man.
But you can't judge a book by its cover.
Oh, those dueling proverbs complicate our lives. When two face off against each other, only one survives.
Too many cooks spoil the broth,
But the more the merrier.
Those dueling proverbs feuding in your brain. So head on to the bank.
a penny saved is a penny earned.
But nothing ventured, nothing gained.
That's right. In everything we do in life, at work, at school, at home, we need some words of wisdom as our guide. But sometimes when we follow them, big conflicts can begin. That's when those dueling proverbs collide. They say,
Beggars can't be
But
choosers.
ask and you shall receive.
these verbal riches we should never squander. So stay close to your love, cause
Out of sight, out of mind.
But absence makes the heart grow fonder.
oh, those dueling proverbs complicate our lives. When two face off against each other, only one survives.
You can't teach an old dog new tricks.
But it's never too late to learn.
That's the way those dueling proverbs mix it.